In this video, I will be explaining what causes the ABS light to come on in your car. Let's begin with understanding the anti-lock braking system, or ABS. It's a crucial safety feature designed to prevent your car's wheels from locking up during braking, especially in slippery conditions. The ABS system achieves this by continually monitoring each wheel's rotational speed, detecting rapid deceleration, and modulating brake pressure accordingly. This process allows you, the driver, to maintain steering control. Now that you have a basic understanding of ABS, let's delve into what might cause the ABS light to illuminate on your dashboard. There are several reasons why the ABS light might come on in your car. Let's delve into some of the most common culprits. First up, we have faulty wheel speed sensors. The ABS system relies on these sensors to determine the speed of each wheel. If a sensor is damaged or malfunctioning, it could cause the ABS light to come on. Second, consider your car's brake fluid levels. The ABS system is hydraulic, meaning it depends on fluid to function properly. If your brake fluid level drops too low, it could impede the system's performance and trigger the ABS light. Thirdly, we have the ABS control module. This is essentially the brain of the ABS system. If it fails, expect to see that ABS light shining bright. Next, let's talk about your brake components. If these, think brake pads, rotors, are excessively worn or damaged, they could compromise the operation of the ABS system. Fifth on our list is sensor ring damage. Many vehicles have these rings on the axles or wheel hubs, working in tandem with the wheel speed sensors. Damage to these rings can cause ABS issues. Last but definitely not least, damaged wiring can be a cause. Wires connecting the wheel speed sensors to the ABS system can suffer damage due to exposure to the elements or physical damage, hindering the system's function. These are the most common issues that can trigger the ABS light. But remember, every vehicle is unique and may have different causes. If your ABS light comes on, don't panic. Here are some steps you can take. First, check your brake fluid levels. The ABS system is hydraulic, which means it relies on brake fluid to function properly. If your brake fluid level is too low, it could be the culprit behind the illuminated ABS light. Next, it's time to get tech savvy. Use an onboard diagnostic second generation or OBD2 scanner to retrieve any fault codes. These codes can provide valuable insight into what's causing the problem. Don't forget to conduct a good old-fashioned visual inspection. Look for obvious signs of damage to the wheel's speed sensors and associated wiring. This could be anything from frayed wires to physical damage on the sensor itself. Finally, it's always wise to consult a professional. A mechanic or automotive technician can provide expert guidance and help you resolve the issue effectively. These steps can help you identify and potentially resolve the issue causing your ABS light to illuminate. To summarize, the ABS light on your dashboard is a warning that there might be an issue with your anti-lock braking system. We've covered potential causes, from faulty sensors to low brake fluid. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Honest Mechanic Colorado for more informative videos like this one.